So now the POS will not start. Why? I've done nothing. And no reason for it not to start. There's only 4 plugs. This one, the drive-by-wire one on the throttle body, this one, and this one. That's it. They're all plugged up, and it won't start. Please. The coil packs are getting volts. I checked that. I checked all the fuses. I did pull the fuel pump relay, just to be sure. I have fuel pressure. I haven't done anything, but took it apart, put a fuel phonics spacer on it, put the supercharger on it, plugged up 4 wires, and this ain't got nothing to do with it. Now the damn thing won't start. It acts like it's not getting any spark. I tell you what, I about had it with this piece of crap. These are like the biggest POSs I have ever seen. I really should have just left it alone. Oh well. You try to upgrade something, try to do better, and what happens? Shit won't crank. Lord have mercy. Oh well. Just lift it up on the lift and see what happens. I don't know what else to tell it. It should start. My injectors are all in there. They all slipped in fine. The harness is plugged up. I really didn't stress any wires out. So I don't see any reason for it not to start. These things ain't nothing but junk. Pure friggin' POS junk. Darn it.